Congress is now investigating last week's recall of Pediacare children's medicine that came from Johnson & Johnson plant that was plagued with problems. Here's a real quick look at those recalled products.
Okay, they include Pediacare multi-symptom cold, 4-ounce, Pediacare long-acting cough, 4-ounce, Pediacare decongestant, 4-ounce, and Pediacare allergy and cold, 4-ounce. Now, they're all manufactured at a Pennsylvania facility that was shut down in April after more than 40 other varieties of children's medications were recalled. Because so many medications were pulled, we talked to a local pediatrician to find out how parents should respond to the news.
At the Rocky Mountain Youth Clinics in Thornton, Dr. Joe Craig is a busy pediatrician, treating children from all walks of life.
With our population, we've got families that are all across the spectrum of having private insurance and a lot of resources to those who have no insurance at all and no resources. And
what the parents all have in common is the desire to do something for their kids when they're feeling under the weather. But responding to that need can be a challenge for doctors when some of the most common children's medicines have been recalled. Dr. Craig says some parents turn to homeopathic remedies from health food stores, thinking they're a safer alternative.
We don't know, for the large part, what's in some of these medicines. There's a large group of those medicines that aren't regulated by the FDA.
His recommendation?
So our attitude, within our providers here at Rocky Mountain Youth Clinics, we end up saying, let's try to use as little medicine as we possibly can. You don't always need those medicines. Sometimes it's just a little TLC, and talking with your healthcare provider can actually get you through an illness pretty nicely.
Dr. Craig also sees the massive recall as a good thing.
I feel like it just gives me the confidence yet again in our system that there are some checks and balances in there.
He recommends parents be wise consumers, and when it comes to their children's health, be sure to do their own checks and balances.
I say talk to your healthcare provider, or within the healthcare community, the pharmacists are tremendously helpful. If you don't need the medicine, don't go buy it. Do you have some buddies?
All right, Dr. Craig says you can also get more of your questions answered by going online at RockyMountainYouth.org.